let's make this beautiful, very trendy, crocheted spider web fingerless mittens. You can make it in any of your color choice. Let's start making it. We will start with 3.0 mm crochet hook number. Magic loop. After one chain, 16 half double crochet. Place a marker on the one chain area. From here we are going to start making the chains. At the start we will start with 4 chains. One chain we have already taken. 2, 3, 4. Skip one stitch and put in the second stitch with slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one stitch and put in the second stitch. So in this way we will be making 8 sets of 4 chains. These gaps we are going to make 8. Close the magic loop after 16 half double crochet. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Slip stitch in the first chain where the marker is placed. Now we will shift the marker to the next stitch over here. Slip stitch in the chain area. Now we have 8 chain areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the first round we have done 4 chains. Now in the second round we will do 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch in the chain area, center of the chain area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next slip stitch in the next chain area. We will put again the marker in the last stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, in the previous round we were doing chain of 6. From this round we will start doing chain of 8. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are going to complete the round. This is the last 8th chain, the 8th step we are doing. After putting this slip stitch here, I will place my marker at this point. Now in this next round, we will be having 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We will continue like that till the marker point. This is the last area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And when we will put in the first one like this, slip stitch, we will shift our marker to this point. This is the last round we are going to create, and in this round we will put 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 chains and slip stitch in the next gap. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We will complete this round with 15 chains. With half double crochet, 16 stitches, 4 chains, 6 chains, 8 chains, 11 chains and 15 chains. Now, if we wear it on our hand, each gap, the last chain area, we will put one by one in our finger, like this. So it is covering the hand. Now, we will make the wrist here to wear it on the hand properly. So for starting with the wrist, let me just start from here. 1 chain, where we ended the task, we will start from the exact point. Half double crochet in almost 26 chains, because depending on the width or the thickness of the wrist. So the standard size is normally 26 or 30. So I am making it 26 stitches. 1, 2, we will count till 26 and we will make half double crochet in each chain till 26 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 chain, turn the project. Now we are going to put double crochet. After 2 chains we will put a double crochet in each stitch. So in all 26 stitches, the second round will be with double crochet. Let me just join them together. From the first stitch we will simply put slip stitch. Now this is a wrist area from where we will put the wrist or the hand. So from here we will make a small border. For that, 3 chains, 1 2 3, put in the next stitch with slip stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, and again slip stitch in the next stitch. Again 1 2 3 chains in the next stitch, slip stitch, again slip stitch, and again slip stitch. So in this way we will be creating a very fine and beautiful border for the edge. 1 2 3, slip stitch, again slip stitch, and again slip stitch. 1 2 3, slip stitch, so this is a beautiful tutorial on crochet Spiderman web that you can create in any color of your choice. I hope you have learned enough and you are going to make it for your loved ones or for yourself. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, keep liking my work. See you next time. Bye.